The Garden Treasures 8x8 gazebo was sold at Lowe's. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number S-582D or S-582DN. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8x8 and is two-tiered. A key identifier for this gazebo is L-shaped corner panels with an overlapping half-circle design. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Garden Treasures 8x8 gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric, from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have Dura pocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.